wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay!
Yay! We're back in our arts and crafts studios, and it looks like, Olivia, you have something up your sleeve, some kind of surprise that we're doing. I see some googly eyes, I see some construction paper, I see some fluffy puffs, and I see some feathers.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We are doing happy birthday hats.
Happy birthday, hats!
Yeah, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, dear kids!
Happy birthday, dear kids!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you!
That was awesome!
That is awesome.
Yeah.
So we're going to do hats out of construction paper?
Yeah, so you know how on your birthday sometimes they give you guys the really tall cone hats?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, those are really, really easy to make.
Oh,
So,
really?
Yeah, so we're going to make one instead of buying one. So can I show you?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So, if you just take this paper
Okay.
and you roll it up, look, it's a cone.
Wow.
Yeah, and then you glue the back. So, Noah, could you please help me by grabbing that glue stick?
Of course I can.
Okay, and now this part that I'm holding in the back, can you glue that together, please?
Elmer Glue to the rescue!
Yay! And so this part in the back, can you glue that together?
Of course. Okay.
Thanks.
We'll have to hold it down and probably let it dry before we can continue using it. Kids, you might just have to put it and set it down for a couple minutes until it really sticks.
Yeah, and then here. I think ours is probably pretty good now.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. So once you have that done, then then you have your hat and Noah, remember online how you saw that funny bird?
Oh yeah, the angry bird.
Yeah, the angry bird.
Yeah.
So we have eyebrows.
Yeah, I pre-cut them already. So we're gonna stick them on there.
Yeah.
And then you have the beak.
We have a beak that Noah made too,
Yeah.
and we're gonna stick that on underneath the eyebrows a little bit.
And then we have googly
Yeah,
eyes.
so we're gonna make an angry bird one.
Yep.
Ooh, and then we also have all these puffballs and feathers, so you can kind of glue or draw anything on it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Great. All right, so should we use the Elmer's glue and get this together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna glue all the pieces together
Okay.
now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna blow on it so it's. Okay, I think it looks
Awesome.
pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Can you turn it around so the kids can see it?
Ta-da!
Wow, that looks so good.
It does,
Yeah.
doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks just like the angry bird one we saw online.
Yeah, and
That's
it's
wonderful.
a birthday hat.
Yeah, and look how simple it was, kids. It was red construction paper, a little small piece of black paper,
Yep.
and
A
then
beak.
a little beak.
You use
and
the
two
black
eyes.
pen just to make it look like a beak, and then some two googly eyes.
Yeah, and we have the googly eyes, but you could also draw eyes.
Yeah, of course.
Ooh.
Oh, I'm going to make a birthday hat for you now.
Oh, I'm going to make a birthday hat for you now, too. Okay. So, kids, if you can, get the supplies together, and you guys can make a birthday hat with us, too.
Yeah, I think I'm going to use pink construction paper because you love pink, and I'll probably use the fluffy puffs and the feathers and I have a lot of ideas what I can do for you.
Yeah, I bet that you're never going to guess what color I'll use for you.
Blue.
Of course.
Yep.
Yeah, but I'm going to also use fluffy puffs and, secret stuff.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Yeah. We'll see you in 1 second, kids. We'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to hurry.
Ooh, this will be nice.
Oh, I like that. Oh, yeah. That's a good little problem for it.
I can see mine looks really, really nice.
Hi, kids. Mine looks good, too. How does your guys' look? Yeah? Are you having fun? Oh, good. I'm almost done. I just need just a couple more puffs, because, I mean, who doesn't love puffs, right? A lot of them is good. And some glue.
I really like that Angry Bird, but I think I can do a better one for Olivia. Okay, I'm done. So here's my birthday hat for you.
Aw, thank you, Noah. Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Look, kids, it's got puffs on it and feathers and a ribbon. Oh, and jewels.
Do you like that?
Oh, I love it.
Oh, I'm happy you like it.
Let me see.
Oh, that looks
How's it look,
beautiful.
kids? Yeah, I love. We'll put strings in them later so they'll stay on our heads better.
Yeah, exactly.
And Noah,
Yes.
here is your hat, but hold on. I'm gonna slide it to you.
Whoa.
And wait. When you pick it up,
Yeah.
there might be a surprise.
A surprise?
Yeah, there might be a surprise.
Whoa!
Yeah!
Forget the birthday hat, even though I do love it.
Do you like that?
Yeah, with the baseball up front.
Yeah.
It looks really nice. But what is this surprise?
The surprise is it's a birthday balloon surprise.
Oh, hold on.
Wait.
I have a surprise for you too.
Oh, Noah, you got me one. That's
Yeah.
cool.
So what do we
wow.
do? We just...
Yep, it says just push it down on the ground and pop it.
Okay.
And mine says make a wish, so I'm going to make a wish when I pop mine.
I'm gonna make a wish too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready? Oh. I'm going to make my wish while I pop mine, I think. I wish.
Okay, I know what I want to
Okay.
wish.
Are you ready?
Yeah, why don't
Oh,
you...
wait, hold on. I have to move my hat. I don't want to accidentally hit my hat.
Yeah, don't break your hat.
I'm just going to scoot it over. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
So 1,
1, 2,
2, 3.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh, what's happening?
It's growing.
It's growing.
Oh, wow. That's so neat. Whoa.
Oh, do you hear the crackle?
Yeah, I wonder what that is. Oh, Noah, now this is an arts and craft and a science episode, because
Oh,
look,
yeah.
there's some kind of reaction in there that's making it blow up.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Wow. I didn't know that you could blow a balloon up without going.
Yeah, I know.
Ooh. Yeah.
Wow.
Whoa.
It's a balloon.
It's a balloon. It's a little. Oh, it's like hard. I mean, I don't want to squeeze it too hard, but it's a little puff balloon.
Yeah, it looks like it's a happy birthday balloon.
It's still popping.
Yeah. Ah!
Oh no! Did
Mine
you pop?
exploded.
Oh, I wonder if mine's gonna explode.
Oh, now it's all
It's
open.
supposed to explode. Oh, I want mine to explode too. Do it. I think I have to be more patient. I hope by
Yeah.
shaking it, I didn't mess it up. Oh wow. These are neat.
You should hold it and then let it pop in your hands.
I'm kind of nervous. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, I can feel it getting bigger.
I know.
It sounds like popcorn popping. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
It could happen anytime.
Mm-hmm.
Any second.
Come on, balloon. Pop.
No.
Pop. Oh, if we just go pop, 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 then we'll definitely be right.
Yeah. No.
Pop, 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 pop.
I like mine.
Yeah, I still like mine. Mine's a little slower. It still feels like it's getting bigger though.
Yeah, and I can still hear it go crackle, crackle, crackle. Maybe nothing will happen.
I don't know. It looks like the edges though. Look at the edge.
Yeah, but it's not done, see?
No, I
Feel
know.
mine.
But look at the edge. It looks like the edge is getting more and more pulled apart, so it looks like
Yeah.
it's gonna pop at some point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or maybe because I touched it, it popped.
Well, but I touched mine and shook it up, remember?
I know,
I
that's
wonder
true.
if when I shook it, that was not a good idea.
I don't know, but I did
I don't know.
that too.
You shook yours, yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe I should shake it more.
I don't know.
Pop!
Maybe squeeze it. Oh, I hear it moving. It just popped out there.
Wow, it popped a lot, huh?
Yeah, did you like that? That's
Wow,
funny. Oh my.
that was really funny. Whoa, wow. Oh,
Yeah.
kids, that was very, very exciting.
That was exciting.
That
We
was-
need to get more
wow,
of these.
yeah, we definitely need to get more of these. That was awesome.
Well, kids,
Woo.
I hope you enjoyed our happy birthday hat craft. And I hope you had fun with these too. You should
Yeah.
get them.
These are very fun. Oh, what does yours say?
Mine says it has a birthday
Ooh.
cake on there and it says happy birthday.
That's
See?
very nice. Yeah, 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 I like that a lot.
Yeah, I'm gonna hang it up in my room. Even though it's not my birthday yet, but you
It's
know,
still fun.
it's still fun.
Yeah.
And then we'll get some more.
Yeah, we definitely will.
Yep.
Cool. Thank you guys for coming.
Yeah, thanks for watching Dream Again. We'll
Yeah.
see you next time.
Yeah, we'll see you next time. Hope you guys have
Bye.
fun. Bye.
And happy birthday to you if it's your birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, I'm going to go find the pieces of my balloon.
Yeah, find your pieces.
Oh, that's so funny. Thank you, Noah.
Wow, that's so cool.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Guys, look! I found it! I have a balloon too. Mine says make a wish. Yeah. And so now I'm going to make a wish. I know. I have the perfect wish. Don't tell anyone I told you, but my wish is for you guys to all have a very, very happy birthday. So, happy birthday! Bye, kids! Bye! Have fun! I'm going to go find Noah and show him my balloon! Yay!
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!